Nothing sub-brand CMF gearing to reveal its first mid-range smartphone, the CMF Phone 1, which will be officially unveiled on July 8th. In the meantime, the brand is teasing the phone's component through daily reveals through popular YouTubers. One of the highlights is the Super AMOLED screen made by Samsung with 120Hz adaptive refresh rate and a peak brightness of 2000 nits. Also, the CMF Phone 1 will be equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 processor. The MediaTek Dimensity 7300 boasts 4 ARM Cortex-A78 cores clocked at up to 2.5 GHz and 4 ARM Cortex-A55 cores at 2 GHz, alongside an ARM AMOLED G615 GPU optimized for gaming. The processor will be paired with 16 GB of RAM, effectively confirms the phone is in the mid-range segment with 5G connectivity. The device has an expandable memory up to 2 TB, which is crazy and I love it. Talking about the camera, we're getting a 16 megapixel selfie camera. We still don't have any details on the rear camera setup, but we should be expecting a 50 megapixel rear camera with depth sensor and in-display fingerprint sensor. The CMF Phone 1 uses a 5000 mAh battery, which gives you 2 days of power, and some rumors suggest we can expect the device support 33-watt wired charging. We can expect the device to run on Android 14. Additionally, confirmed feature includes Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 6, and as I mentioned, 5G connectivity. The company will continue to reveal more components and specification daily and will be fully revealed on July 8th. Talking about the price, it is rumored that the CMF Phone 1 is expected to start at $191, which is less than $200. That's it for today, guys. Stay tuned for more details as the official launch approaches. If you like this video, smash the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.